In a certain perspective, hypothesis testing, or a test of hypothesis, is similar to a court trial. In a court trial, the two kinds of verdict, not guilty and guilty, can be compared to the types of hypotheses, null and alternative. The statement being tested, defendant is innocent, is called the null hypothesis. It is assumed true at the beginning, innocent until proven guilty. Using the data, the evidence, we decide if the null hypothesis appears valid, not guilty, or invalid, guilty. At the beginning, we assume that the defendant is not guilty unless it has been established that the evidences are beyond reasonable doubt, and the jury believes that the evidences are enough to refute the null hypothesis or the defendant is innocent. Thus, the jury gives a verdict in favor of the alternative hypothesis or the defendant is guilty. In general, when performing a test of hypothesis, we set the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis in such a way that the null is true unless there is sufficient evidence to show otherwise. Hypothesis testing, or a test of hypothesis, is a method to determine whether the statistical hypothesis is true or not.